Hello, I am walking in the forest again. Well, it's more similar to a park, but there are lots and lots of trees. In this park, there are really tall trees. This one here is very, very, very tall. I don't know if it's the tallest tree in this park, but I think it is one of the tallest. It is very tall. What is the time? Currently, it is 8 o'clock. Do you think it's 8 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock in the evening? It is 8 o'clock in the evening. What day is it today? Today is the day after Saturday and the day before Monday. What day is it today? Today is Sunday. What do you do on a Sunday? Do you always do the same thing? Do you do different things? Maybe you have lunch with your family, or maybe you have dinner with your family. Today, I had lunch with my grandmother. We had potatoes, meat, specifically beef. Beef is meat from cows. Sorry cows. Look at this. Can you see this spiky ball? It has sharp spikes. It's called a conker. When I was younger, when I was a kid, when I was a child, maybe I was around 10 years old, my brother and my dad, together, we got conkers from the tree or from the ground, and you open them, and inside is a brown conker, and you put a hole through the conker, and you put some string, a cord, through the hole of the conker, and you hold the string. The conker is here at the bottom, and you hit the other person's conker with your conker, and you want their conker to break. If their conker breaks, you win. You are the winner. Have you ever played with conkers? I don't know if it's something other countries have or something other children play in different countries. But when I was a kid, we played with conkers. It was a little bit dangerous, but it was okay. At the moment, I am walking along the path. This is a path. On my right, there is grass. This green stuff is grass, and on my left, there is also grass. I am walking between grass. I am walking along the pavement, the path. Before, I said it was 8 o'clock. It's 8 p.m. at the moment. The evening is very nice. It's dry, it's not raining, so I don't need my umbrella, but I have an umbrella in my backpack just in case. But I don't think it's going to rain. It's not going to rain. Not today. Probably tomorrow. Tonight, this evening, it is dry. It is a little bit windy, but it's nice. And it's very light. It's 8 p.m. and it's so light. Before, earlier, at 7:30, I was wearing another jacket, my rain jacket, but I was too hot, so I took off. I removed my rain jacket. I was too hot. At the moment, I am quite hot. I think it is about 18, 19 or 20 degrees, something like that. I am wearing a jacket, a t-shirt, a green t-shirt. I am also wearing black joggers, black jogging bottoms, and white shoes. I am wearing some white trainers. I am also wearing a watch. This is my watch. I have a blue strap. It is a smart watch. I have to charge it sometimes. Like my phone, I need a plug, a charger, and I need to connect my watch so it has battery, because it is a smartwatch. I am getting hot. I want to take off this jacket because it's very warm. Where should I go? Should I continue straight or should I turn left? I think I will continue straight. Can you see the sun? The sun is coming past the clouds. there's the lake. The lake is over there. I'm back. I took off my jacket because I was too warm. I was too hot. So I am in Northern Ireland at 8 o'clock at night, and I was too hot with my jackets on. So now I am just wearing a t-shirt. I am surprised. I am very surprised. Okay, should I continue straight or should I turn left and go to the lake? Let's go left to the lake. What do you like to do on a Sunday? Do you like to relax and watch TV, maybe a movie or a film? Do you like to play video games? Do you hang out with friends? Do you spend time with your family? Or maybe you clean the house on a Sunday. Do you like to be productive, or do you like to be lazy or just relax on a Sunday? Today I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I was writing my next book. I was writing on my laptop. I was typing on my laptop for my next book. I had lunch with my grandmother at 1 o'clock and now I am walking. I wanted to go for a walk. I like to go for a walk every day. I prefer to go for a walk in the evening. I prefer to exercise in the evening. What about you? What do you prefer? Do you prefer to exercise in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening? I prefer to exercise in the evening. What time is it now? There, can you see the time? What time is it? It is 21 minutes past 8. 20 past 8. It's 8:20 in the evening. So I think that is the end of today's video. Leave a comment, please, about what you want me to talk about, and if you want me to speak faster or slower. Well done for practicing your English listening skills, and I will see you next time.